Portame toda la noche, no nos queda mucho.
Khushbu is the newest one, I think.
Yeah. Hello. Hello.
Yes,
Good
Khushbu.
evening, everyone.
Good
I am
evening.
new in this group. Okay, I have to answer these questions.
Yes, three questions
Either
are
you
there.
can answer or you can talk whatever you feel good.
Okay, if you both talk on this topic, and then I will comfortable
Okay, okay,
to
no
See,
problem.
speak.
see what Khushbu, why we are here to take up the challenge. What if we
Okay.
will only wait for the perfect time? We will not get that
Subhankar,
perfect time.
okay, what
Yes.
first she want to understand. Once, yeah, one of our
Okay. Okay.
Mohit, you complete first, so other guys also understand. Mohit, you will be the first.
Yeah.
I'm second. I'm second.
Oh my God,
I need
what?
some.
Okay, I'm
Why?
I'm going first.
Okay, Aziz,
Okay, I'm second.
Aziz.
Aziz there, yeah. What's up?
Yeah, you are the first today.
I'm the first.
Yes, you are the first.
This is not the first
Yeah,
day, or it's every day happen with me. Okay, whatever. I have no issue.
Thank you.
I never give excuses.
okay.
Okay.
We are having Susil. Okay, Susil.
Yeah, but we need start from Aziz only. Then we'll start from Sushil and.
Actually, you know, Mohammed, there is. I mean to say, there are two times of you send the message here. So I just confused what, because in the group you see the message there too many times there. So where the education topic?
Yeah.
Education topic. So this is the first question. What kind of education did you have in your home? This is the first question.
Yes.
Okay, after the now the done.
Yes.
Okay, what kind of education did you have in your home? Okay, education. If it is about the home, I always hear from my parents that you have to believe these things. You have to be, you know, education at the different level of age, different education. Okay. When I was childhood, I mean to say at home, I mean to say my parents try to teach me about the religion, about the neighbors, who is your neighbor, who is your uncle, who is your brother, who is cousin, this type of things. Okay, he used to bring with me at the relatives' home, this type of things. He used to say, teach me this is this flower, this is this bird, this is this type of things. So I mean to say there are different level of age where you get the different level of education. Okay, right now I'm mature. Right now my parents try to teach me, this is your marriage time, now you have to be married. Okay, so you like this girl, you like this girl, this is good, this is good, this is good for you, so you have to be married with this girl, is also good, this is according to our family, this is best for our family, this type of thing. But right now they never give me right now they're not giving me religion education. Right now they give me the success of life, according to the, I mean, how to you earn more money and how you to get more respect in your society, this type of things. Okay, so this is the type of education we get at home. Second question, what would the world be like if everyone has access to good education? Okay, so this is the things that the need the world, everyone, because you know education is very important at every situation. Okay, everyone have to be educated for to develop the society, for to develop the country. Everyone have to be need, because education is very important. If a father is not educated, so he cannot be properly guidance to their children. Okay, so the education is very important. Right now as we see, there are different type of conflict, there are different type of world in the world. Okay? I prefer that, because this is the lack of knowledge, this is the lack of education. If the people are more educated means it's not something like you read the book, you complete a book. No, it's not right. Education means something like you are your brain on a maturity time. Okay, where you have the feeling of humanity, where you have the feeling of to help the poor people, where you give food to the hungry people. This type of education I'm saying. Okay, education is not something like you just learn the A plus B is A plus. Let's see, I will give example. Okay, everyone knows the example of A bracket 1 plus B square. Okay, A square plus B square plus 2AB. Do you ever see this is the use in your real life? No, this is not used in our real life. So I mean to say totally, education is something like where you get the more and more educated. Educated in your standard of life. Educated means to behave with your seniors, to behave with your relative, to behave with your family, to help to your parents, I mean to say to aware about your responsibility after when you mature. Now what is your responsibility to your parents? So this is the type I feel the education. This is the education. Education is not like where you read the book, no. So does your government really care about your education? So many government comes right now. I'm 24-year-old. I see there are different government comes in my I mean to say in country. So every government try their best, but some government are passed, some government are fail. Okay. So if it is about my country, so my experience that I hear that the Indian people are very hard, really. If it is about the education, if it is about the whatever, if it is about the vocal level, if it is about the upper level, the Indian people are very so hard work and so talented. I mean to say, in all over the world, no one country is there where is no Indian people belong. I mean to say, no Indian people are staying there. I mean to say, visit there. Every company, every high level of company, every small level of company, everywhere in India. And they all run by the through of Indian people because they sharing their views, they sharing their experience, they sharing their knowledge. So my country education level is very good, but there is a lack of money. There is a lack of I mean to say vacancies. This type of things we can say. Okay, education in my country is very good. You can say, but the government is doing their best. But they are sometimes they fail, sometimes they success. What kind of education did you have? I'm already. This type, what would you like if you even have us is, does your government really care about your education? This is already complete. What would you like? Three questions. Now I think, yeah, I give answer all the three. So I finished here. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. Srishti, I think. Srishti. Okay, no problem. Rajiv.
Yeah, hi guys. A very good evening. So, yeah, today topic is really a very interesting, and education is everything which we want, and we want to our children to also have a good education. So, first question is, what kind of education did you have in your home? So yeah, first thing we start learning from our home, and first word we learn from our home. Then we just start learning from anything, from any institute or any class, coaching or classes. So our parents. So first thing what we learn from our home is. How to respect elders, how to behave with someone who is your relatives, yeah, how to eat, how to walk, how to say something. So this kind of basic education, these are the part of our nurturing. So how well we are in our social work or in our day-to-day life, everything cannot be taught in the college or institute. Few things we learn from our parents, few things are our legacy. So we just carry our legacy and we just. Mute him. Okay, so it's better now. So yeah, our parents teach us and our family teach us how to react in a particular situation, how to deal with a situation which is either in favor or not in favor. So this kind of learning which we get from our educations, our home educations. Second thing is what would be the word like if everyone had access to the good education. So I really want to this kind of system where everyone have a good access to the education. So even So definitely, let's first discuss about the impact when everyone have this kind of access to the good education. Definitely, we would live in another kind of a world. So I think we are facing this even after getting a good education. Still, we are facing a communication challenge, right? If we had a good education and if we had access to all the good education, I am not sure, but I think we could not, we would have a good communication skill. So definitely, if we had a good access to the education, definitely people thinking of the people will be changed. Nowadays, politicians are making fool of us because of people are not educated. Whatever they say, they start believing on them, and this kind of system, many politicians are also still there. They are trying to make our system in a way that people didn't get educated fully, so that they are still can run their own businesses. So yeah, and even there are good institutions as well, but people don't have access to. But if we get access to, definitely it will going to change our life, and it will going to change our systems as well. So does your government really care about educations? I think few governments are really doing great in the education system. I would like to name Delhi government, and especially Manish Sisodia. He is doing a really fantastic job in just improving the education system of Delhi. There are other states also where education system are very good, but I'll really try to name here education system of UP and Bihar. It's everyone know what education system is there. So even I don't know, government is paying lots of money to the government schools. They are running a government school with a very high paid teachers, and there are a lot of other facility, food facility and other facility are they are giving, but we are not getting a quality education from there. Just people are who cannot afford private colleges, private schools. Those children are going to the government schools, but it's not happening in the Delhi. Delhi government has made such a good arrangement, such a good quality standard. It's highly raising a bar. So I think educations like Delhi, I cannot say that it's the education system of ours would be like which America has or which developed country has. Definitely, we cannot afford these kind of education, but definitely, at least we can afford what education system Delhi has. We can do this kind of arrangement, and we should try our best as well. I'm also thinking that to do some kind of NGO, try to run some kind of NGO where I could donate something to educate the children who are not able to go to the who are not able to get access to the good education. So yeah, definitely education is a very close to my heart, and definitely I'm in few days I'm going to do something for the needy people. So yeah, that's all my point. Thank you,
Rajiv. Srishti.
Yeah, sorry, Mohammed. Actually, I'm not there when you call my name, so sorry for that. And so, let me check the questions. Yeah, what kind of education did you have in your home? So, the very basic education we get from our home. Hello?
Yes, you can.
Am I on?
Yes, you
are.
Yeah,
okay. Okay. So, very little things, very basic things we learn from our homes that may we never learn from our books or from by reading any books. So there's a lot of things that our parents, our relatives, our or sometimes our friends teaches us a lot of things, and like about when we start going school, then they teach us how to behave at the school, and mm, they teach how to eat and how to sit, and they teach us manners, how to react with the uh, how to react in particular situations. So, these things we learn from homes, from our parents and from our home. And the next question is, what would the world be like if, absolutely, if everyone have access to a good education, then the world has a different look, right? If our generation is hello.
Yes, yes, we are listening. Srishti, you can carry on.
Hello.
Yes, Srishti. Hello.
Yeah.
You are audible. You can talk. No problem. We are listening.
Srishti, move ahead. Srishti.
Srishti, we are losing you.
Hello. Am I audible?
Hello. Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
Hello.
Now you are audible. Just continue.
Hello.
Hello. I think. Hello.
See,
Uh,
see.
Yeah.
you are audible. Oh yes. Continue.
Okay.
You were on the second question.
Yeah. So I'm saying that if good education gives the different look to the world, and if we are educated, then we can pass the good education to our children and our generation, our next generations. And the next question is, does your government really care about education? Okay, so I'm a final year student. So I'm in Delhi, and DU has a like our date sheet is came at when the lockdown started at 4. Our exam held on April 4th, but from that time our date sheet is get postponed again and again and again, and our exams are now conducted as OBE, open book examination. So now this is held on from 10th August, and this is the fourth, I think that, yeah, third date sheet. So I don't think they are working so great, because this is the third date sheet that I have, and they are postponing again and again because of website. I don't know what they are doing. According to me, they are not doing really great. Okay, hello. Am I audible?
Yes.
I'm done now.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay.
Subhankar.
Hello. Shall I continue, Mohammed?
Yeah, you can continue.
Yeah, I'm not.
You.
Hello.
Okay.
Yeah, I think.
Yes, you continue.
Okay. Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. So the very first thing is that what kind of education you got from your home. See, in my viewpoint, the education is not only about books. Education is not only about going to the school and the colleges. The foremost education we get from the home. And in my viewpoint, they are the two pillars which holds, they are the two major pillars of the education. So first is respect. And the second thing is humbleness. We should understand that what we are today, we there might we are because of our parents, because of our elders. Since from the childhood, I had been taught to respect the parents, to respect the one who had been grateful to me, to respect the one who whom I am obliged for. The second thing is that no matter at what position you are, no matter what you hold, no matter that how much money you should have or how much degrees you have, you should be the humble. You should always remain down to earth. These are the two major things which I had learned from my home since from my childhood. Although there are so many things which I had learned, for example, spirituality, for example, behavior, for example, other things as well. But these are the two major pillars which constitutes almost all the personality traits of a person in order to make him not only a professional but also a good person, but also a good person in the society. See, now the question is that another question we have, what if, let me check it out. What would be the word like if everyone had access to the good education? See, in my opinion, education is the fundamental right of everybody. Everybody should get the proper education. And the reality of the world, especially India, would be far better comparatively today if everybody get the educated. Now the point is that how everybody could have the access to the good education. The one factor is that government, but should be always dependent upon the government. I don't think so. What in my opinion is that if we have enough earning, if we have enough savings, we can sponsor. If everybody can, if everybody prepares, mentally prepares in his mind, and everybody comes forward to sponsor the education of a one child, sponsor the education of a one child, or donate, contribute in any of the quantity he or she can be. Education would be the most beautiful, the most wonderful contribution you can make in the life of anybody. This is what I personally think. And if we all think like that, if everyone who is good enough in terms of financially or physically, we should actually think about the fact that then and only we can change the world. We can change the world. We should never depend on the government, right? So the reality would be far better. Everybody would having the good jobs, and the future generation would also be affected. Future generation would also get the benefit from the same. This in the few years, in the next 20 to 30 years, that would we can change this. We can change it if we want. We personally can change it in spite of dependence of the government, right? The third question is that whether the government is really doing good or not. See, the government in India, as far as the Indian government is concerned, the government is segregated into multiple parts. First, the central government, then there is a hierarchy: central government, state governments, and so on. The government is really doing good. As far as the present government is concerned, the use of the technology, use of the digitalization is at the peak. They promote the digitalization so that the small kids, since from the childhood, the children could get the access from the digital gadgets, and they can get the education from there as well. I know there is a pros, there is a cons, there is a advantages, and there is a disadvantages of the technology. I completely agree with the fact, but we should understand still the government is doing great on their part. Now the problem comes is that when it comes to the hierarchy, state government and then municipality and then other from the city to the city level, the corruption level is so high that the money which comes does not be spent properly on the education of the children. This is the basic problem, and we should not always blame on the government for this particular system, because government cannot handle all these things on their part. So this is our responsibility. This is the responsibility of the people who are sitting in the system in order to make the make the working efficient, in order to understand that what is right and what is wrong, in order to understand the better utilization of the money they are getting from the central government. This government is doing the government. Hello, sorry, there was an interruption there. I got a call. Hello,
Yeah, continue.
am I audible?
Yes.
Am I audible? Okay. So this is what I was saying, that government is doing great, but the people sitting in the system at the different levels should also concern about the same. Then and only the government can make make the best use of the resources, and we can actually have the good education system. Although we are improving day by day, but definitely it will take time. We will go to the higher level, and we will definitely achieve the day when every child of the India, every child of India, every child of world will get educated. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Khushbu.
Wait. Mohammed. I think you should give chance to your Susil, because it is too late now for him.
Okay, but actually I'm getting notification from Zoom that this.
Yeah. You create a new session and then give chance to Susil, I think, because it is a time difference now. You understand?
Okay. Actually, I'm.